In this video, we are going to see how you can format data as currency values. So let's go ahead and have a look. So here we are in our monthly budget example that we have been using throughout this video series. Now, in some of the previous videos when we had created this data where we had specified and calculated amounts for rent, phone, credit cards, food and candy, also for min, max, average, we had specified and calculated these amounts, right? Now, in the very first go, I want the users, whoever is using this data, to be able to recognize that these are dollar amounts, right? So it should have something like the dollar symbol or the currency symbol, whichever currency you're using, and the decimal places and the comma separators for thousands. Those kind of things should be specified over here. So to be able to do that, let me select the data from B4 to E9, and let me press the control key on the keyboard and select from B11 to E13. So remember, when you press control key and left click, it helps you to select non-contiguous group of cells. So we have selected the cells over here. Now if I go to my home tab and under number section, you will see that there is an accounting number format symbol over here. So if you drill down on that, you will find some more accounting number symbols like dollar English United States, pound English United Kingdom, euro and Chinese yen. And of course, if you go for more accounting formats, you can select other symbols for currencies as well. Okay, so in this case, I will select dollar English United States, and you will see that the dollar symbols has been inserted. Now the reason why you see hash over here is because the width of the cell is narrow to include the text. So I will just expand it a little bit. So now you can see that there are currency symbols available. There's a comma separator for thousands, and also there's a decimal pointers as well. So to make it a little less crowded, what we can also do is that we can keep the first row with the dollar symbol, and we can keep the last row as the dollar symbol, and in between we can just remove this dollar symbol because it would be known that these are currency values. But it's an option, it's not necessary. It's up to your choice what you want to do. What we are going to do over here is to make this a little less crowded. Okay, so if I can select the values from here to here, and if I click on the comma, then you'll see that the dollar symbols are gone and it is a little less crowded, and you already know as a user that okay, these are currency values. So this is how you can change the format of a cell to currency value. Why don't you go ahead and try it for yourself, and stay tuned for our next video.